As this is Miss Goodson, I just wanted to go over the periodic table, or in particular about the actual element square for each one on the periodic table. So I want you to be looking at this screen, and then if you can see up here at the top that the number that is at the top, I said that is your atomic number. In this case, that they have just labeled it as Z. But be mindful, you will not see that on the actual periodic table. So what the atomic number means is that means that's how many protons that is in that particular element. So in this element, which is carbon, that you would have 6 protons. Okay, you have the symbol, then you have the name of the element, and then you have the atomic mass. So in this case, with the atomic mass on this particular periodic table, is that they've included the decimals. Sometimes you'll see it, and then sometimes you won't, just depending on that individual periodic table. So in your atomic mass, so that means that's going to be talking about how many protons that you have, and then how many neutrons that you have. So as you can see, is that with your atomic number, you know that's your protons is 6. So you know that you're also going to have 6 protons here in the 12. Okay, so then in order to figure out how many neutrons that you would have, is that you would just take your atomic mass, which is your 12, subtract your 6 for your protons, and that's so 12 take away 6, which is going to give me 6. So that's how many neutrons that I'm going to have. Okay, also you can see down here for my number of electrons is also equal to my number of protons. So again, since they are always going to give you your atomic number, you're automatically going to know how many protons that you have. And if you know the protons, you're going to know how many electrons that there are. Then again here for the number of neutrons, which I just went over, which was just your 12, take away your 6. And they have just done that for this A minus Z. So your A is down here for your atomic mass, and then your atomic number is your Z. So that's what they did there. They just subtracted the 12 from the 6, which I had done before. So I hope that this explains about the element symbols and all the information that you can gather from each one of these little squares that is on the periodic table.